Okay, Saumya. So let's listen to your story in brief.
What would you like to know about me?
She's a perfect amalgamation of beauty with brains.
She's caring, sympathetic, humble, and compassionate.
And I have seen her growing and blossoming and catapulting into, metamorphosing into such a lovely personality.
पहले वो हमारे नाम से जानी जाती थी, अब हम उसके नाम से जाने जाते हैं.
उसकी कोई एक चीज नहीं है जो मैं आपको बता दूं, हर अदा निराली है, हर चीज उसकी निराली है.
Well, I'm Saumya. I'm a fun-loving, happy person, and I love to create happiness wherever I go. That's me. And मुझे ज़िंदगी में नए challenges accept करना, नए success को achieve करना, नए dreams को complete करना. That's me. I'm like a free bird. And I always love to experience something new in my life. And I want to serve humanity in the world. And I think that's why I chose medical profession as my profession. And yes, of course, I have a beautiful journey from being a doctor to Mrs. India South Africa. And I'm very proud to say that I made my country proud.
The all-new Mrs. India South Africa 2018 is Saumya
And joining us this morning is the current Mrs. India South Africa, Dr. Saumya Gautam. Dr. Saumya, it's so great to have you here. Congratulations on your crowning. What inspired you to enter a competition like Mrs. India South Africa?
I always dream about something big to have in my life, and I'm an advocate for women empowerment. I feel that every woman is a superwoman in her own way. Mrs. India South Africa is not only a beauty pageant, it uplifts the worth of women through pageantry. So this is the most important thing why I entered this platform, because this platform has given me the wings to open up my wings and to give my voice to voiceless. And I'm more happy because I won the crown to my mother city.
Okay, yeah. Yes.
And it's a very beautiful platform because I got a chance to exchange the unique cultures between two countries. So I'm very happy and excited.
कुछ याद आ रहा है होशंगाबाद से जुड़ी हुई कुछ याद है?
Yeah, I'm remembering whole my childhood. I started up my life from here. मैंने यहाँ से शुरुआत की, so मैं बहुत emotional हो रही हूँ इस वक्त because I'm in my city, so I'm feeling very happy. मुझे हर एक बात वो याद आ रही है कि कैसे हम रोज़ मंदिर आते थे. I used to come to temples with my grandparents, pray God, worship Maa Narmada, take the blessings. And I feel so blessed today that wherever I am today, it's because of Maa Narmada. So I think it's the best moment of my life. मैं पानी छू सकती हूँ? I just wanna touch it. मेरे दादाजी कहा करते थे, जो नर्मदा माँ के किनारे रहते हैं वो ज़िंदगी में बहुत सक्सेस पाते हैं. और हमेशा माँ नर्मदा की उनके ऊपर कृपा बनी रहती है।
वो बचपन से ही दूसरे बच्चों से थोड़ी अलग है। वो बहुत सोशल है और बहुत खुश रहने वाली खुश मिजाज लड़की है और बहुत काइंड हार्टेड है।
तो इसका जो बच्चों का शौक कैसा है आगे जाके दूसरे बच्चों के लिए पूरा कर रहा है। बहुत बड़ी बात है।
ऐसे वो गिले कट करके टक्का आप अलग-अलग कलर्स की। और ये वाला मेरा फेवरेट फोटो है। मुझे बचपन से क्वीन बनने का बड़ा शौक था, मैं फाइनली बन गई।
देखिए सौम्या जो है हमारे यहाँ वो एक एंजल, लिटिल एंजल की तरह आई, एक परी की तरह आई और हम ये हमेशा सोचते थे कि हमारी परी आगे जाकर क्या बनेगी, कैसे निकलेगी, इसका भविष्य क्या होगा। ये बात जरूर है कि हिंदू मानसिकता होने की वजह से हमने जब पंडितों से पूछा तो पंडितों ने सबने ये बताया कि ये लड़की आपका जाके बहुत नाम रोशन करेगी।
About how we can save the animals in the world and how we can change the world. So I think Arrow is a very great platform for me where we can make a bigger team. I'm very excited and I'm quite happy because I'm being allocated as a brand ambassador. I'm a brand ambassador for Smile Foundation South Africa.
It was amazing to see Saumya grow from strength to strength. She's the executive board member of Okosi Girls Organization, an organization that advocates women's rights, women's health care, women's empowerment, women education. She also privileged to become the brand ambassador for Smile Foundation South Africa. She's also chosen to be the advisory board member and brand ambassador to the Arrow Group. The other two biggest achievements that she also achieved, which I'm very proud of, is that Saumya was chosen as the most influential woman of the year in 2018, and she's recently won the African Women Leadership Award for 2019, which I'm very proud of.
Because I believed in me, so I did it. I think believe is a superpower. You need to believe yourself to achieve something in your life. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे काफ़ी challenges का सामना नहीं करना पड़ा. I got a lot of tough challenges in my life, but it's me. My willpower is very strong and I'm a very spiritual person. I just believe in God and I try my best and I know God will make a plan for me.
The bird agrees with you.
Yes.
You're also like this bird.
I love to fly and I'm so happy that God gave me the strength, God gave me the wings to pursue my dreams. So I'm quite happy. And that's what I want. I want every girl to know that their voice can change the world. They should just know their strength and come out of their home.